Hi everybody, today I want to show you how we fix our broken and chipping brick. So the first step was mixing quick dry cement, and then the only thing that we had to do was wet a little bit the brick so that way the cement will stick to the brick. Then we filled the holes with the cement and we had to work very fast because the cement really dries extremely fast. After 2 minutes it becomes very sticky and it's difficult to spread it. After 2 hours, the cement feels and looks completely dry, but if you want to paint on top of it, you need to wait a minimum of 30 days to fully allow the cement to dry. This is how it looks 15 days later. We still have 15 more days to go, but meanwhile we ended up painting the rest of the wall. I will show you the result in my next video.